Good day, I'm Don Torres, and in this video, I'm going to do the task Remote Desktop. Let's begin. So first, here in Windows Server, just go to Start and then Administrative Tools. Then we'll go to our users and computers. Here, you can see from our forest domain, test.com, we'll expand this, and then we'll go to computers. Here we can see our available computers, and here we have our Windows XP and Windows 7 running. Let's go to Windows 7 first. So here in our Windows 7, let's go to our libraries and then let's check our computer properties. So here in our computer properties, let's check the remote settings. And here we will click the allow connections from computers running any version of remote desktop. Let's click apply and OK so that our Windows server can use the remote desktop activation on Windows Server 2007. Now, let's find this remote desktop connection. And then let's type our computer name, Torres, or Torres Win 7, Windows 7. And then let's try connecting to this desktop, our Windows 7. Here you can see the name is accurate, Torres Win 7, and here Torres Win 7. Let's connect. And now, let's confirm our password as the administrator. Now let's wait till it finishes connecting to our Windows 7. So here we can see it says another user is currently logged on to this computer. If you continue, the user has to disconnect from this computer. Do you want to continue? So if you click yes, here in our Windows 7, we will automatically be logged out. Let's test this. Let's click yes. Here it asks us that the administrator wants to connect to this machine. Now we only have to click OK. Otherwise, it will automatically be disconnected in 30 seconds. Now we have logged out. We'll see here that it's preparing our desktop to connect to our Windows 7 desktop. Here we can see that it has successfully connected to our Windows 7 desktop. You can see that the Start, Windows Explorer, and such. Now there it is. We have successfully connected to our Windows 7 remote desktop connection. Let's log off. Alright, now we are finished with connecting to the Windows 7 remote desktop. Let's let's proceed to the Windows XP. Here in our Windows XP, let's click Start and then right-click My Computer. Select Properties and then click Remote. Here, let's click Allow users to connect remotely to this computer. Now let's click Apply and OK. Now let's go back to our Windows 2008 server and search for remote desktop connection. Now let's type our desktop name. Let's recheck the name of the computer. Here we can see the name of the computer, Torres Windows XP. Let's X this. This is our Windows XP. And these are Windows Server. Now let's type the computer name to connect to it. Torres Windows XP. Let's try connecting. Let's click yes. So here we can see that we have successfully logged into our Windows XP. Let's try logging in via some username. Now we can see that since we are already accessing this Windows XP through our Windows Server, it has locked our current Windows XP desktop. Here we can see the Start, Internet Explorer, Torres Windows XP. Now let's log off or let's disconnect. Alright, so that is it for the remote desktop task.